Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to fit some cable tie rack stops to your steering rack. First step is to remove the cable tie that holds the boot on. So if you clip this one off, then you can pull the boot back off of the rack, exposing what we call the drumstick. You can clip the other end off and then pull the boot right the way off of the drumstick, and that exposes everything. Next, prepare 3 cable ties in this layout. They're approximately 20mm apart. Now that you've got your 3 cable ties together, you can put them around the end of what we call the drumstick, tighten them up. Once they're tight, that will give you a 5mm spacer, which will prevent the steering rack from opening fully. Once they're nice and tight, you can then take a pair of cutters to each of the tails and snip the tails off accordingly. Once all the tails are cut off, you can then fit the boot back over the drumstick and back to the steering rack itself. The boot's then held in place with a steering rack using some more cable ties.